Hello Kuya Mark, si Nigel to, and ito na nga pala yung 2015 Evo. As you can see, meron siyang lip sa harapan dito, tsaka aftermarket na rims. Malinis na malinis yan. Louver sa taas. Meron siyang dry carbon from Password JDM. As you can see right there. Single exit exhaust. I think Tomei yata ito eh. Oh no, sorry. G-Ready. Nice. Ito po yung likod niya. Dito po siya safe and sound on the inside ng aming showroom. Mud flaps dyan. 3M na rin yung sakyan. As you can see there. Let's go give it a start. Napaka-basic ng tunog, di masyado maingay. Hindi ko lang alam kapag binanatan mo yan siya. Tingnan natin yung loob. Sunroof there. Pakalinis na yung sakyan. And currently has about 77,606. Gear shifter niya dito. Lights, oval control button, and then right here is the engine bay. So meron tayong mga filters here for your oil catch can, I think. Redan na rin to, it's aluminum. Wow. And then ETS front pipes, and ito naman is yung ating intake, stock BOV. Nothing major, and repainted na rin. So dyan, just nice.